Last week, Nifty ended with impressive gains, although Friday's session saw mild profit booking after the strong rally. The recent buyers were sticking with the strong bullish action as was evident from fresh all-time high for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty Auto Index. The positive catalysts. 1. Growing confidence for a Fed rate cut. 2. Markets broadly expect a 25 bps rate cut from the RBI final policy meeting of 2025, December 3rd to 5th. 3. Also, there aren't any big worries about a major reversal. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests over the next couple of weeks, expect momentum to turn very aggressive as 1. FOMO rises sharply. 2. Short sellers face a squeeze. 3. Year-end positioning accelerates. Bullish momentum shall continue to be the new normal on Dalal Street. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FII turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3,796 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 4,149 crores. Nifty's sentiment is likely to remain bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive breakout on the upside. FNO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,700 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading near 11.62 levels. At last check, USD INR, December, was trading near the 89.59 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.21 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.19. Nifty Outlook. New records highs for benchmark Nifty shall be the new normal on reports that India's Q2 FY26 GDP surged 8.2%, powered by strong consumption and sectoral momentum. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26,203. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,900 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,351 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26,100 and 26,400. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 85,707. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 84,500 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 86,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 85,400 and 86,400. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 59,753. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,300 and 60,300. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The big question, will the FPI come back strongly? All eyes now shift to whether foreign investors flip from persistent selling to sustained buying, fueled by expectations of further rate cuts, earnings upgrades, and India's rising weight in global indices. Meanwhile, a key geopolitical highlight. Russian President Vladimir Putin will visit India on December 4th to 5th for the 23rd annual summit, aimed at strengthening the special and privileged strategic partnership. Source, Business Standard. Technically speaking, Nifty is still above its 21 DMA, 25,886, 50 DMA, 25,554, and its 100 DMA, 25,223. Nifty's 200 DMA at 24,578 mark. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks to watch, auto stocks in the driver's seat. Auto names remain in focus after the Nifty Auto Index hit fresh record highs last week. Investors now await November wholesale numbers, where the street expects double-digit growth across segments, from two-wheelers to passenger vehicles, boosted by improving demand and post-GST pricing reset.